Hi, welcome to MYStaycation. This episode will be staying at Sunway Putra Hotel. Sunway Putra is a 5-star hotel located beside the WTC Kuala Lumpur, World Trade Center Kuala Lumpur, formerly known as PWTC, Putra World Trade Center. And below the hotel is the famous shopping center called the Mall, or now as we call it, Sunway Putra Mall. You can just Google Sunway Putra Mall and drive there, or just Google PWTC. You can't miss it. But if you come by train, you can use the LRT train to PWTC station or use the KTM train to Putra station. Just remember the hotel is adjacent to Sunway Putra Mall and not PWTC. That's a different hotel, Sri Pacific Hotel Kuala Lumpur. Might review that in future episodes. Parking is shared with the mall's parking space, but its lobby area is at level 9. The hotel parking, however, is level 5 and above. The lobby area is situated at level 9, where the check-in is, the coffee house, and lift access to all rooms and facilities. The Atrium Lounge is a huge seating space located in the center of the hotel's lobby with a dome-shaped skylight which spreads natural sunlight and illuminating the entire lounge. You can enjoy bakery food, pastries, cakes and drinks. In a comfortable environment, it is beautiful. But when we were there, it was closed for public. A short history of the hotel. The hotel is formerly known as the Legend Kuala Lumpur, and Sunway Putra Mall was formerly known as the Mall. People from the 80s and 90s are synonymous with the name. Then when Sunway Group took over, they gave it an uplift and upgraded both buildings, and the rest is history. Sunway Putra Hotel has 4 different room types and 3 different suite types. This is the Deluxe King Room. It is huge for a deluxe size room. As I said earlier, the space is based on the previous hotel, which means all hotel spaces are huge. I mean, look at it. I think you can fit a family of 5. The modern interior is a stark difference from the old interiors hotel. I love the color palette. Bluish, grey, and white. It looks and feels soothing, cozy and cooling. In this drawer, there is a hotel directory and torchlight. Painting is nice, suitable with the room theme. So here we have a mini bar and mini fridge with the satellite color TV and etc. The sofa is huge. It's comfortable and can fit another person if they decide to crash in your room. The table is low, sturdy, and nice to do discussions or have a meal on it. Sorry, I accidentally slept during the camera shooting. You can see many hotels and cool city landmarks from this room's view. See the LRT train? I love this chair. It looks executive and expensive. Look at the texture. It's comfortable and ergonomic. The desk lamp looks funky. It is near some multi-charging points and ports. In this closet, there are the basic amenities you get. There is your usual safety deposit box, hangers, ironing board, and if you're lucky, you might find an extra pillow or two. I mean, I've been here like 3 times and I always get extra pillows. The toilet is huge for a deluxe room. I like the spacious shower. It has a place to sit while you take a shower. They provide the basic amenities such as a toothbrush, hand soap, conditioner, shampoo, and bath gel. There is also an extended mirror. A hair dryer and 2 USB ports in the toilet. The next morning, we head down to have breakfast at the coffee house. They have many authentic Malaysian and Western meals cooked and many choices of beverages. Oh god, the food was great. No, the food was great. The pool and gym were closed at that time. But hey, here's a picture of the pool and the gym from the website. How to get to the shopping mall from the hotel? There are 2 ways. Firstly, you can use the main entrance lift and go straight down to the pickup area and walk to the mall's entrance. Secondly is to take the main entrance lift. Go to level 5, walk a bit to the mall's entrance, and go down the escalator, and you will be on your 4th level of the shopping mall. I kinda prefer this method. The mall has so many fast food eateries, restaurants to dine in here. Of course, after you fill up your belly, you can go shopping. Here is a list of popular landmarks and walkable places from the hotel. Sunway Putra Hotel's central location makes it an ideal choice for a leisure traveler hoping to explore the many sights and attractions of the city, or bring your family for a short staycation while relaxing and shopping at your convenience.